This massive industrial property represents a rare KZN opportunity. The property has a total extent of roughly 89,000 square meters, comprising of both warehouse and factory space, together with vacant development land. The property is well positioned in Shakaskraal on Umvithi Road, which is just off the R102 and is directly opposite the Pioneer Foods facility. The premises will likely continue to benefit from the increasing popularity of the KZN North Coast as a destination of choice for both residents and industry. The property is fully spec'd to ensure any organisation, local, national or international, could occupy without hassle. Some of these features include, but are not limited to, fire safety compliance, a securely fenced and guarded perimeter, various access points, approximately 170 parking bays, and ample facilities for employees and staff alike. Perhaps most impressive is the huge power supply this property boasts, an incredible 9,600 amps. The current facility can be separated into 3 distinct warehouses or factories, each with its own substation. The height to the underside of the eaves is 12 meters, with a height of 14 meters at the apex. And 2 25-ton gantry cranes cover an area of approximately 300 square meters. Floor load capacity varies from 8 to 12 tons per square meter, and thus most operations can be accommodated. The 25,000 square meter yard area allows for ample access and staging of interlink and superlink vehicles. Covered canopy areas cater for unimpeded loading and offloading. 2 water tanks each hold a volume of 267,000 litres, and a diesel pump powers the operation of the sprinkler systems. The admin component of the building is approximately 4,900 square metres and includes large open-plan offices, a canteen, and fully equipped change rooms. In addition to the existing 17,600 square metre superstructure on a 55,000 square metre site, the property also includes 2 pieces of land on either side of it, which represent significant development opportunities at 21,110 square meters and 12,265 square meters respectively. For more information about this property and to arrange a viewing, please contact Verend on 071 383 1735. We look forward to seeing you at the auction on the 21st of April at the Mount Edgecombe Country Club.